wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best quadcopter drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The snaptain S5C boasts 3 speed modes and an integrated gravity sensor for precise control over its movements using the horizontal and vertical positioning of any Apple or Android smartphone. The anti-collision barriers are rather flimsy though. It accepts voice commands and performs 360-degree flips. However, the instructions are confusing. At number 9, available in both black and red, the user-friendly Syma Mini is constructed from a durable, drop-resistant ABS material, making it a dependable choice for little ones who may be prone to accidentally flying it into walls and other objects around the house. It comes with protective propeller guards and batteries that are easy to remove, but it's not ideal for outdoor use. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If aerial acrobatics are a top priority for you, the scharkspark Thunder will not disappoint. Its 6-axis gyro ensures superior stability for beginners, while a dedicated 3D flip button facilitates dazzling mid-air somersault maneuvers. It's equipped with an altitude hold feature and an operation range of 328 feet. However, replacement parts are hard to find. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for quadcopter drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, compatible with both GPS and GLONASS satellites, the Idea Foldable sports an attractive camouflage exterior and features a convenient app-accessible waypoint mode that allows it to follow a specific flight pattern using pre-designated coordinates. It offers 3 speed settings and can withstand strong winds, but it takes a long time to charge. Moving up our list to number 6. Perfect for curious young ones who are just learning the basics of drone operation. The qcopter QC1 comes with a crash kit that includes replacement components for quick repairs. Additionally, high-quality photos can be captured from either the transmitter or a smartphone. It includes LEDs for nighttime use and sports an elegant metallic green color. However, it's not as durable as the competition. Halfway up our list at number 5. Setting the parrot anafi apart from the competition is the combination of a lightweight carbon-reinforced frame and compact double-hinge design that allows its legs to unfold in no time at all, making it super easy to transport to almost any location. It features 10 images per second in burst mode and an integrated geofencing capability, but it is very expensive. At number 4, the real-time FPV camera on the potensic D80 supports an image transmission distance of 900 feet, so you never miss any of the action. The headless mode keeps its orientation aligned with an operator's viewpoint, even when the direction of the nose changes. It offers a top speed of over 24 miles per hour and comes with a USB charging cable. However, the battery life is short. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Holystone HS700 comes with a modular battery that delivers up to 20 minutes of uninterrupted runtime. Using its built-in global positioning system, it's capable of hovering stably as well as returning to a predetermined location when its signal is lost. It features a camera with a 110-degree field of view and a hands-free follow function, along with a quiet brushless motor. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for quadcopter drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, built with agility and precision in mind, the Contixo F20 is equipped with a brushless motor, responsive controls, and an automatic circling function that allows it to orbit a specific location within a 32-foot radius. A storage backpack is included in the package. It features single-key takeoff and landing, can follow preset flight paths, and comes with extra propellers. And coming in at number 1 on our list. If you're an aerial photographer looking to capture images from the world around you, the DJI Mavic Air is your best bet. Its camera supports 4K video and can combine 25 stills to produce a 32-megapixel panorama in under 10 seconds. It includes a folding remote control, 8 GB of internal storage, and superior target tracking. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for quadcopter drones, or simply click beneath this video.